In this video, you're gonna learn exactly how to create this nice, aesthetically looking Iman Gadzhi type text style. And make sure to stick all the way throughout the entire video because I'll completely explain how to make that jitter kind of slow frame animation at the end. But before we do that, my name is Eddie Torsten and I create digital assets for content creators just like you looking to upgrade their workflow and take their quality to Iman Gadzhi, Tom Nosk, and Devin Jothlow style. Really quick and simple and easy. And now let's get into this tutorial. First of all, what you want to do, he always has a gradient to his text. So I just want you to go up to this properties tab, click on the text, hit this text, click on the solid. We're gonna go to linear gradient. And for the linear gradient, you wanna barely have a different type of gradient. So you see how both of these are white? Just click to this left one and bring it up to like barely, just barely have it. And then we want to kind of just play it around so it has more of a white kind of texture, just like that. This will just allow us to have the glow kind of on the top of his text rather than the entire text like he always does in all of his text styles. I'll show you in just a minute. Now, speaking of that glow, let's just add it. Just search up an effect called VR Glow. This is the glow that he uses. Just drag and drop it onto layer. Now you can see that it kind of has that actually bottom. I think I did that wrong and we need to do the opposite. So just go into your text, click on it, and now just kind of drag this maybe to the left. It looks like we actually have to change the colors of it. So let's make this left side white and then this right side gray. So now it has that glow that you can see. Now if we just kind of put the Luma threshold to like 0.8, now it has that top glow effect that he uses in all of his text style. You can mess around the glow radius, make it like stronger by decreasing it, increasing it, be stronger, but I'd say that's good for what the effect that we want. Now we want to get that effect where it kind of gives it that nice rough edges around his text. Search up an effect called turbulent displace, drag it onto your layer. Make sure that the VR glow is above the turbulent displace. Now it's gonna look crooked like this. That's completely fine, don't freak out. Turn the size and just bring it all the way down to about like 5 or 3. You can now see that we have that nice kind of jitter effect right there. But we need it to move because if you just play it right now, see how nothing happens? Go up to your turbulent displace, go to the first one, click the little stopwatch on evolution, and then go wherever you want it to keep going to. Click it, and then just crank this to like 4 or 5 times. And now you can see it has that nice kind of jitter effect, but it's too smooth and we don't want that. He has his text effects really laggy and kind of low frame rate. So what we want to do is actually search up posterized time. So turn on posterized time, drag it onto your layer, and now we can affect the frame rate of this clip. Just drag this posterized time below VR Glow, and let's just put this to like 5. Now when you play it, now it has that nice kind of like paper, jitter, low frame rate effect that we were looking for. Now for the last effect we want to add, it's called noise. Noise essentially will just add a kind of filmic touch to it that he uses. So just up the noise, I'd say like 25. You can see how like the more you do it, it really affects the glow. So just kind of turn it down like right there. And now you have a nice kind of look, see? But to make it even more spicy, let's add a shake to it. All I'm gonna do is go over to my ET shakes. I'm gonna drag one of them. Let's see how it just looks on just regular shake. Make sure that the shake is all the way at the bottom like it is right now. And now you get this simple kind of nice shake that he adds. That's perfect for what we are looking for. And if you guys want these shakes, and there's also about 30 or 40 other presets. Let me just show you really quick. So let's just say I wanted to grab this and kind of slide it out. I want to slide it up and down. This is actually my favorite effect. It'll basically just kind of bring it up. Now you have that nice kind of Iman and then bring it down. You can also go into the text like it has. And I actually have 2 other presets just for Iman. So instead of doing all of this constant adding to it every single time, I'll just show you. You can just simply delete this, grab the Iman Gadzhi style or the jitter if you just want that jitter animation. And I also have another one. Just grab the Iman, bam. Now it automatically has that, and it has that nice shake effect. Plus it even actually looks better with the shake effect on it, which is absolutely amazing. If you guys want to go grab those, it'll be linked down in the description. Use the code JITTER to save $5 off your order. And if you guys want to learn more about how to edit like Iman Gadzhi, click this video right over here.